Hello students. So we are starting with lesson number 6 of moral science. The name of the chapter is True Friendship. With the name of the subject only, we are able to understand moral plus science, that is equal to moral science. The subject is providing us some moral values. So in this chapter, we'll study about true friendship. What is true friendship all about? True friendship, the name of our chapter. See, two friends are there. They are mesmerizing here with joy, fun, and laughter. How happy they are looking in this picture. Friendship is a miraculous gift of God. We all enjoy the company of friends. We all have many sweet memories with our friends. The very first line, the friendship is a miraculous gift of God. Only some people are having good friends and true friends. All human beings in this world, they are not getting the gift of true friendship. So if you are having good friends, no, my dear students, then just thank God that you are having very special gift which God has given you. Socrates. Socrates was a great philosopher. Now we'll learn about true friendship or about the true meaning of friendship from an event from the life of the great philosopher Socrates. One day, a visitor came to Socrates and said, "Do you know what I just heard about your friend?" "Please wait a minute. You have to pass a triple filter test before speaking anything about my friend." "Who said this?" Socrates replied to the visitor, "That you please wait. You have to pass a triple filter test before speaking anything about my friend." Now the visitor is shocked. What is triple filter test? I haven't heard about such type of test. Now you also must be imagining, no, what is triple filter test? So we'll learn further. The Socrates triple filter test was, the very first filter test was truthfulness, the second filter test goodness, and the third filter test usefulness. If what you are going to say to others is not true, then don't say it. If it is not good, then don't speak it. And if it is not useful, then again don't say it. Filter of truth. Before speaking, you must think twice whether it is true or wrong, whether it is right or wrong, and then only we are supposed to speak about the other person. Filter of goodness. That means the second filter test is the filter of goodness. Is it good or bad? We are supposed to think twice before speaking in front of others. Filter of usefulness. Is it going to be useful for the another person? Just think before speaking. Always avoid talking behind your friends or dear ones. That means no one should develop the habit of speaking behind the other person. We should always develop the habit of speaking in front of everyone. If we speak or do harm to our friends, it is not true friendship. That means if you are speaking bad about any person who is your true friend, whom you consider to be your true friend, then he or she is not your true friend. If you are thinking of harming that particular person, then obviously he or she is not your true friend. So, my dear students, the secret of happiness is not found in seeking more but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. So, if you want to remain happy, just think positive. We should not develop any negative feeling in our mind so that we may feel low. Honesty, sincerity, morality, integrity, respect, trust, these all are the features of true friendship. A true friendship is built by mutual love, trust, and confidence between two friends. Love is the most serious, or love is the most important point which should be developed. You should have a bond of trust and confidence towards each other. We must always help our friends in good times or bad times. You must always stand by him or her in their bad as well as good times. A very famous proverb, a friend in need is a friend indeed. The meaning of this proverb is a friend, he or she is the person who is always there in need when you require him or her in your bad times or good times, and he or she is a friend indeed. That means to be preserved. I am a good friend. We all are speaking this. A friend accepts you as you are. They can encourage you to become better version of yours. A true friend is loyal and is always your friend through life's ups and downs. The very important point is a true friend is always there with you through your life's ups and downs. Ups and downs means in your good as well as your bad times. Whatever situation you are facing right now, your friend is always there behind you, or he is always there besides you, so that you can excel in everything, in any kind of situation you are in. What makes a good friend? Students, someone who is a true friend or a good friend stand ups for you. When others try to hurt you emotionally or physically, they do everything they can to make sure you stay safe. They don't care who is trying to harm you. They will defend you anytime and anywhere. A good friend always stops you to do anything wrong in your life. A good friend always corrects you wherever you are wrong in life. That means they are always besides you, no matter what the consequences they may face socially. A true friend is a friend when it's convenient and when it is not. That means they stand by us consistently both when we are present and when we are not. So, I hope you must have understood this chapter very clearly. This chapter is all about true and good friendship. Moving on towards the exercise now. The very first question, find out the answers. You are supposed to find out the answers yourselves through this video class. What sort of a friend was Socrates? Just take the help of your book also, then you can easily find out the answers. Second question, what is the true test of friendship? Question 3, how can true friendship be built upon? Question 4, explain the saying, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Hope you must have understood this chapter very clearly. Thank you.